mar Naivas maromo $134 kaka chudo kuom mwanduge mane okethore e kinde ng'anyo mar Gen Z. Ng'anyo mano bagi gi rawere mapacho ka ne oweyo dukano gi lal bang' monj manotim e bedene e gwenge mopogore opogore pacho ka. Chudo ma kama otim ne dukano kata obiro bang' nonro ma otim kendo ma opuodhi ma oyudo ni okenge duto noluw mondo chudo no otim. Jata tije mar Naivas Andreas von Paleske opuoyo okang' ma kamano.
The claim in question emanates from the mandamano that we had last year, where our client Naivas, it's in the public domain that they were attacked. During the protest, there were massive losses across board, and when CIC looked at the claims with our loss adjusters, we established the magnitude of the claim was Kenya shillings 134 million.
As the country's leading supermarket chain, we are reliant on working with strong insurance partners to cover a whole array of risks that we face day in, day out, not just the severe events, but everyday BAU. And therefore, we're very grateful and appreciative of the support that CIC have shown us over the years, in particular for today's occasion.